morning, friends. Good morning, lovers of poultry farming. Good morning to you, depending on where you are listening from. I want to share this good news with you. I have my little poultry. Some people will say, they are waiting they don't have a large place to commence or put their beds. But this is my own. I'm managing it in this my little shop. I just put up this cage. I put this cage. Can you see the cage? I called the carpenter man. He constructed this cage for me. Then I have to go into business of food and sell business. Look at my farm. They are very healthy. Because of this, I use this EcoBioBooster. Watch it very well. EcoBioBooster. When I was about to buy this organic booster, somebody discouraged me, but I said to myself, no, because if you have something that tells you worse, you do what your mind tells you. I followed up my mind and went for this, the 5 liter. Dr. Leonard will build it to me all the way from Abuja. I started using it. When I saw the light of this EcoBioBooster in this my little poultry farm, I have to request for extra 5 like this 5 liters. Today I'm selling liter by liter to my customers who come to the shop to buy birds. But if you are not a customer that buy birds with me, I will sell hide. That is how I do it. If you are not my customer that patronizes me with the birds, I will sell a liter higher. But if you buy my birds, I will sell in a lower price to you. So what I'm telling you, I want to share this good news with you, these good products. Look at my birds. But if you buy my birds, I will sell in a lower price to you. So what I'm telling you, I want to share this good news with you, these good products. Look at my birds. Look at my birds. Look at my birds. Look at my birds. Look at them. Very, very healthy. Very, very healthy. Look at their legs. Look at. I have to add it in the water. You add it in the water. Right from the day one, I started using this EcoBioBooster. I add it in the water. Can you see the water? I add it in the water every morning and every evening. They drink it. I'm seeing the light. So join me to patronize this EcoBioBooster. Join me to patronize this EcoBio. Buy it. It is good for birds. Look at how healthy my birds is. 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. Look at it. I said I cannot keep this truth with me alone. Let me share it with the world. Let me share it with the world. Since I've been using it, nothing like buy antibiotics. I'm not using antibiotics with my birds. I'm proud of that. After vaccinating them, I don't buy antibiotics at all. Nothing like antibiotics. Here, look at how healthy they are. Look at it. Look at how healthy they are. Look at it. Look at the EcoBioBooster mixed with water here. Look at it. They take it. They don't reject. Immediately you put it, they'll start drinking it like where a baby is drinking milk. The birds like it so much. This one, I don't know what is. Go and buy this antibiotics. I don't know anything like cough. Nothing. After vaccine, look at me. I carry on with my EcoBioBooster. Very nice products. All thanks to this EcoBioBooster. I love it. Don't say it is costly. Don't say how can I get it. It can be mailed to you from anywhere you are, even outside the country, if you need it. So look at my birds. That is why I'm telling you. Look at my birds. So I say, what is happening? I just crossed my mind that I will be using this thing. Let me check this thing this man has been teaching on teaching. I said, let me check it. And I've seen the light. I've seen the light. Look at it. They are very weightful. They have weight as you are seeing them. They have a very big weight. I put it, I mix it with water in the morning and the evening for them to drink. And they drink it like where a baby is drinking milk. Very nice. I beg you, let me just beg you. I beg, find a way and get this EcoBioBooster.
This is your product. You want to get this maximum weight of broiler in short period of time. This broiler is only 7 weeks and it's weighing 5 kg dot. This is 5 kg in 7 weeks. This is the product we make use of, EcoBioBooster. We make use of this EcoBioBooster, this liquid probiotic for your poultry and livestock animals. You want to grow your broilers in short period of time with heavy weight. This is the product you are making use of. No need for any synthetic, no need for any other medication or any other drug. Use this from day one till maturity and get the maximum results you need. Your chicken will grow bigger, no vaccination, no antibiotics, no drug at all, maximum profit and maximum weight of your broilers. Are you using it for your laying birds? You get maximum egg, jumbo eggs, and you get daily egg drop from beginning to end. This is for broilers. See the weight, you can see the leg, see the weight. I'll go into weight now, you see the size and what it will give you on the scale. This is the product you're making use of. Make use of this product from day one. This is a liquid tea. Use it from day one. Don't change every day, give it to them on their water. This is as food as also medication. Commercial feed. This is the product. EcoBioBooster, feed booster. Make use of this to augment the nutritional value of your poultry and livestock feed. Most especially if you are using commercial feed, use this to boost the nutrients in that feed. Most of the feed cannot give you the maximum weight you need. Make use of this product. Get this maximum weight. This is fully fortified with high protein, high fat, metabolism energy, and minerals and vitamins that you needed for the optimal growth and profitability of your poultry and livestock animals. This is the product here. EcoBioBooster, the liquid one. Make sure the liquid one in their water and the powder one in their feed. You get the maximum weight. Let me weigh it for you so that you see the scale. Pause. This is the scale here. You can see the scale. The scale is at 0 now. See the scale. This is 0. We're going to place this chicken. You can see the weight of this chicken right here. See this chicken now. See it. You can see it. This is 5.1 kg in 7 weeks. This is with the use of this is the product. This is the product you make use of. Make use of this product. This is EcoBioBooster. This is the feed booster for the feed. Add this to your feed, add this to their water, and you get this result, or better than this. You can see this is 7 weeks. You are getting 5 kg in 7 weeks. You are seeing it's 7 weeks, and you're getting 5.1 kg. The product you use of. Put this in their feed.